Happy International Cake Day. You notice that there's no instructions anywhere, right? So completely winging this. No one knows actually what they're doing. There's blocks of butter in there and chunks of chocolate. This is diabetes in a bowl.
Is this an old family recipe?
No, I found it on YouTube.
Are we doing a cheesecake? Sure. No, I mean, whatever, you're baking.
Guess what's on Saturday? International Cake Day. Where do we work?
I mean, you guys wanted to do a no big cheesecake, right? So we can do a chocolate cheesecake.
So then you messaged us and said like, oh yeah, I know how to do cheesecake. I can bake.
To give us some essence for the cake.
Is it?
Green fields?
Oh, okay.
Chocolates.
This one?
A spatula.
But these are edible, right?
Yeah.
Nah, I think they leave it in the store just hoping you choke on it. Ooh, can we find one that's hyperberry?
More whipping cream, vanilla essence, cream cheese, chocolates, butter, and the pan. It's very weird. Yeah.
Looks like a sausage.
Everyone's gonna eat salt every day.
French beans?
Excited? This is the whipping cream, the sprinkles, and then the salt, the chocolate, the cream cheese, the ziploc bag, butter, biscuit.
We're baking a chocolate cake because obviously there's chocolate on the table. Butter, so obviously a buttered chocolate cake, but every cake is butter, so. Where's the cream cheese though? I don't see the cream cheese. Oh, that's cream cheese.
That's a cream cheese.
Hey Ara, are you crushing it or are you eating it?
Daniel, can you melt the
You caught me.
30 seconds at high. High or no? It's first time baking, guys. Melted butter.
It's crushing my snacks.
Nice, good job. How do you feel about Tell Me?
How much do you think you needed for this?
Okay.
Okay, so I just throw it in.
Yeah. Drink it first.
What a way to get high cholesterol. I love the smell of cholesterol in the morning.
Film these guys. Film these. They're just like.
putting the vanilla essence in, the butter and the chocolate.
And this is
It's not coming out. Harder.
I'm pushing.
Harder. Push harder.
Cream cheese and then the cream cheese itself, right?
You can mix the chocolate with the biscuit and you can have a bucket.
I'm doing a better job at this than my actual job.
It's all part of the process.
Yep. It's too small.
Sensual.
Whoa. I think it's good. I think it's good. We're gonna put the cake batter in the fridge 3 hours. Happy International Cake Day. That's the whole point of baking the cake. Cake turned out pretty well, so I think there's a few of us that are gonna cut it now and try it out for the first time. So you guys are gonna taste the cake first. In case it's poisoned, then you guys try.
If I cannot cut, what if I do weak?
Just put it on the napkin. This is stressful.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. That's a chunk of butter.
Is that really a chunk
I think
of
so.
But it adds flavor to the cake though. It adds flavor to the cake.
Cheers. Oh,
Professionally made. The cream cheese filling. Amazing.
And the texture.
Amazing.
Julian, you have to eat our product.
Nice chocolate.
What's your review?
I would go an 8.5.
8.5.
Almost too chocolatey, and I'm saying this as someone who loves chocolate.